What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody has been doing well, and today I am bringing you a new video, and it is a poly gel set from Amazon, and the brand is, I believe it's pronounced Ohuhu. I'm not too sure. But yeah, I've been seeing this brand a lot on YouTube lately. And like I mentioned in my previous videos, I've been trying to find different methods to do nails. So I figured why not buy it and give it a chance and see how it goes. So if you're interested in watching this video, go ahead and watch it to the end. And if you enjoyed it, please let me know in the comments below. And of course, don't forget to smash that like button before you head out from this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be notified anytime I post. And of course, share, guys. Alright, guys, so this is how it looks inside. So this poly gel set does bring 830 milliliters, I believe, of poly gel. And it ranges from clear to nudes to pinks to browns. And it is very beautiful. So as you can see, I am showing you the instruction book. I will not be needing this because I have done poly gel before, so I'm just gonna go through what it brought. So of course it brings its little cuticle pusher, and of course that's to push your cuticles back. We also have a slip solution, which honestly I was not too happy with. I usually always use alcohol with poly gel. So I don't know if it was because my room was cold that day, but I felt like the poly gel was so hard. And I'm not sure if it was because of the slip solution or, like I said, maybe it was because my room was cold. And of course it brings your top coat and your base coat, which I was really happy with because a lot of them nowadays, they don't really bring this. And it was a pretty big size, and that's what I was actually really happy about this this package, that it brought everything big. I honestly expected to get like I think it's the 0.5 ounces poly gels. Sorry guys, my brain is like barely working. I had a long weekend. But yeah, so as you can see, we had our clear poly gel. It brings a white poly gel, and it also brings a very light pink. I believe after that is a more pigmented pink. And anyways, I'm going to be swatching all of them. So right here, I'm just like trying to show you the colors, but you will see it after I swatch them. All right, so I'll be right back. So what I also liked about this poly gel set is that they bring a few glitters, which was pretty dope because I am one of those people that I love to incorporate glitter whenever I can. So it brought 4 different glitters, and I'm going to show you. I'm going to flip them around. So it brought a little butterfly glitter, some purple, blue, and white, which I'm very excited to use. I haven't used glitter in a long time on a set for my own nails, so I'm definitely going to be using these. And again, I feel like it was a pretty fair size, you know. So yeah, they were very cute. Moving on, after the glitters, they also sent a nail file. And I believe this is a 100-180 grit nail file. It was pretty rough. So I probably won't be using this, to be honest, because I have so many better nail files, but that one wasn't so bad, to be honest, so might as well put it to use. And of course we have our little poly gel brush, so I'm going to take it out to show you guys. Excuse my voice. So one side it is the scoop, so you could scoop out the poly gel. I just like to put it on the nail. And then the other side is the brush side, of course. They recommend to use these brushes for poly gel, but I am going to be looking into other brushes because I've seen other YouTubers use like a flatter brush, and I feel like it's a little better, but we'll see how that goes. And of course, last but not least, you have your dual forms, if that's what they're called. I always forget. I do not use these, honestly, but it is cool that they incorporated it. So basically the reason why I wanted to get poly gel was to do the lazy girl method. That method was made by Femi Beauty, I believe her name is, on YouTube. So I've been wanting to try that, but I'm definitely probably not going to use these. I'm probably just going to put them to the side, but we'll see how that goes. And yeah, guys, that's the whole set. So right now I'm just going to show you the colors and I'm going to start swatching. Alright, so in the instruction booklet, it shows you the colors that it brings. So like I said, it was a clear color, white color, then a light pink color, a light purple pink color, a peach color, that's like a skin tone, medium, and brown. So as you can see, I have my little swatches, and I'm not gonna swatch the clear because it's clear, of course, but I'm gonna I'm gonna swatch the other colors. But here I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of a closer look. And honestly, the color that it has on the bottle, it is pretty close to the actual color of the poly gel. So I was happy about that as well, because I have bought some other poly gel brands, and the color that's on the bottle is completely different from the poly gel color. So I was very happy about that. So yeah, guys, let's get started. Alright, so as you can see, I'm going to get my slip solution ready, and we're going to start off with the first color, which is WH2, which is their white color. And I really loved how white this is. I feel like it kind of looked like a gel polish, to be honest, but it was so amazing, you guys. Honestly, this actual brand, like, I'm very happy that I purchased it, and I honestly only bought it for, I believe it was like 28 something. I literally just went into my Amazon to check, but apparently it's out of stock, so they do not have the price. But I will keep eyeballing it, and if I find it, I will put it in the description box. Alright, so the next color is going to be P1. And this is kind of like that natural pink color, which was beautiful. So guys, let me know in the comments below if you guys are enjoying these voiceovers. I'm very curious to know, or if you guys would just rather it to be a quiet music video with me just showing the product. So please let me know in the comments below. The feedback would be amazing. Moving on to the next color, which is N2, and this one is kind of like a nude pinkish color a little bit, but is more on the pink side. I could already tell that this is going to be a summer favorite, or at least spring. It is very cute, very light, very chic. Moving on to the next color, which is N8. And I believe this one is the peachy color. So this one is a very bright color. I would say this is definitely a spring color as well. But of course it doesn't matter, because honestly, like for me, for example, I'm pretty sure I'm just going to use the poly gel to just build the nail, and then I'm just going to paint over it with a gel color. But you could definitely wear it on its own as well. It's a very beautiful color for spring, like I said. Moving on to the next color, which is P6. And I believe this one is like a very bright bubblegum pink. It's not so much of a bubblegum pink, but it's kind of like in the mix of pink and purple. But you could definitely see that the undertone color is more purple than pink. Moving on to P12, and I would describe this color to be kind of like a raspberry-ish color, if that makes sense. It's a very cute color. I would say this would be for now, for like the fall or the winter. Very cute, but I'm not sure if it's up my alley. But I would definitely be using it and see how it looks on my skin tone. And last but not least, my favorite color of the whole collection, BR2. And this color would be considered their nude color, which I am dying to use. It is so beautiful, you guys. It came out to be the perfect nude for me. And this is the last color of the collection. Alright guys, and this is the end of the video. So these pictures is just to show you guys how they look in the flash and how they look in natural lighting. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. It was really short, but I just wanted to get straight to the point. And stay tuned, because right after this video I am going to be showing you guys how I do my nails with these poly gels. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I post again, which is going to be very soon. I can't wait to use these on myself. And of course, if you enjoyed this video or if it helped in any way, make sure that you hit that like button and let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite color. Alright guys, see you in the next one.